trade the financial market. So that's why 10 digital lane is here. 10 digital lane is here so that everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading can get the right knowledge, get the right guidance, and also get the right tool sets to trade the financial market. Okay, to know about digital assets. We're talking to you about digital assets. We're talking to you about DeFi protocols. We're talking to you about NFTs. We're talking to you about the financial market. We're giving you guys signals. We're giving you guys news. We're giving you guys education. We're giving you guys rewards, mainly rewards, because 80% of the time we're going to be reward based. Reward based in the sense that if you're able to buy our token on pump.fund, the our coin 10x digital lane coin on pump.fund, and we go live stream, we are through with in talking about these digital assets. We're going to ask questions to the community. So anyone who answers the questions correctly means that this person has paid attention all throughout this while. We'll be sharing what? We're sharing tokens with you, rewards with you. Okay, we'll be rewarding you. We're rewarding you not just because of you answered the question, we're also rewarding because of the time you invested to be on the live stream. Okay, from the beginning of the live stream to the end of the live stream. And then as well, we'll be empowering the project because we already have a global team. Okay, we'll be empowering the project by also employing from those who join us on this live stream, because we'll be needing a lot of team to grow and scale. We'll be needing a lot of team to grow and scale. So we'll be employing freelancers. So from this same stream, you will be aware when we are hiring freelancers that will help with different aspects of this project. Okay, and not just that, we'll also be sharing with you guys information regarding our projection, regarding our achievements and events coming up in future. So just stay to the end. Visit our website www.10xdigitallane.com to view for yourself what we have been building and our main vision, because our passion is leadership and financial freedom. What makes us happy is to see the transformation in the lives of the people in the world when they become less bothered about money and live the life that they love. Okay, so we are here to analyze Euro USD, and this forecast is for September 15th to September 19th, 2025. So last week, like we said, we will show you the forecast for last week. We said the market is going to sell from here, and the market what went up, took liquidity over here, buy side liquidity over here, went into the supply zone all the way here, and after that, the market sold. Okay, so our forecast was on point and we sent these signals. So don't miss out on these signals. Visit our link on the website, the social links on the website on Telegram, and the social links on the website on WhatsApp. These are official links. No other links should be visited. Visit these links, and then you'll be able to get this information. You'll be able to get these signals, and you'll be able to get these updates on a regular basis, on a daily basis. Okay, so now that you're even joining us on our live stream on pump.fun, you'll be seeing us, we're talking about this on a regular basis. You've seen us analyzing about this on a regular basis. So watch to the end. So let us update these charts right now. Then we visit the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, what do? We update the weekly low and weekly high. The previous week low, this is the previous week low, and this is the previous week high. Good. So then we go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, what do? We spotted the daily demand and daily supply. We spotted the daily demand and daily supply. So from what I can see here, this is what the daily supply all the way up here. Okay. And then the daily demand is all the way down here. Good. Then we go to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, what do? We spot out the 4 hours demand and also 4 hours supply. We spot out 4 hours demand and 4 hours supply. So for what I can see, this is the 4 hours supply over here, which has already created a change of character. Okay, so that's the 4 hour supply I see over there. Good. Then we also spotted the 4 hours demand. This is the 4 hours demand that has not fulfilled efficiency yet. I'm going to share with that. If you want to understand how we spot all these areas, just visit our website www.10digitallane.com. Grab a package for yourself, okay, and then you'll be able to what join this education, learn this education, and practice this education to get the results you need. Okay, We have a lot of results we have been able to share with you guys, and progress we're able to share with you guys. Just visit our social links and you'll be able to see it for yourself. So based on what I can see here on Euro USD, I see Euro USD, if it gives us a little push to the downside, we should be going up towards this what 4 hours supply. Yes, 4 hours supply. So I'm more of the buy projection for Euro USD. Then the next on the list is GBP USD. GBP USD. That's the next on the list. Also, we're going to be introducing our AI trading system that is going to enable you, if this is a very difficult and rigorous process to get involved in, okay, we'll be sharing with you guys our AI system that will help you analyze this market very fast and easy. Okay, you just have to be on the chart for a certain period of time, and then it spots out the trade opportunity for you. You take the trade and you make the profits. Okay, so watch out, we're going to be launching that system very soon. We're going to launch that system and we'll be trading with that system live, and you'll be able to see the results we make trading with that system live. We also guide you on how to get an account, okay, a practice account, and then trade the system with us live. Okay, so we're working with our team to offer this AI trading system. Okay, it's an AI trading system that helps analyze this market. A lot of you don't have time to come and understand the structure and so on and so forth. So we'll be sharing with you guys that system. So for GBP USD, over here is what we say. We say the market is going to come to this supply zone, break the supply zone, retest and continue buying. Or the market is going to sell from this supply zone. What did the market do? Instead, the market came to this supply zone on Tuesday and sold down here to Thursday. Okay, so we caught the sell on GBP, so our forecast was accurate. You can go and check our social handles. Okay, we shared with you guys these trade opportunities that we caught on GBP USD and how the trade played out. So what to the end, we also shared signals on Ethereum. We also shared signals on BTC. So what to the end, because I'll be adding Ethereum, BTC, and then Solana to the list. Okay, so then let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's update this chart. Let's update this chart. So go to weekly time frame. What do we do on weekly time frame? We update the previous week high and previous week low. We update the previous week high and previous week low. This is the previous week high, and this is the previous week low. We'll also be going live on a weekly basis for the rise and grind session. The rise and grind session is more like us talking about a particular topic. Okay, let's say we talk about budgeting. We'll talk about it, we'll explain it, we'll show you how we budget, we take you hands-on on the practical process, because our passion is financial freedom and we lead you to financial freedom. So we're going to teach you the necessary topic relating to achieving financial freedom, the mindset, the skill sets, okay? And then you'll be able to take action on it, because I've met a lot of wealthy billionaires, and the difference between them and us is that they invest a lot. They invest a lot. They invest a lot. Every hour of their life is investing, either investing with their skill set, investing in their education, or investing financially. Okay, so whatever they're doing, they're always investing. Every time they're always investing. Okay, so you need to program yourself in that way, not be a mediocre, not be a mediocre. Okay, so over here now is on daily time frame. Daily time frame is part of the daily supply zone. So on daily supply zone, this is the supply zone I see over here, and then this is the daily demand zone I see over here. Okay, good. Then we go to the, this is like, this is the change of character over here. It needs to return to this origin over here. Okay, good. So we go to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, we spotted the 4 hours demand zone. Okay, so this demand zone here is very far. Okay, so I can extend it to come all the way here, because this is a relevant zone. Okay, good. So for GP USD, for GP USD, what I see for this market is more of a buy projection to continue buying to the upside. Okay, so you might be wondering where where are you buying to? Okay, so for us to get where we're buying to, we can get this projection. We can buy all the way up to this point. Okay, so we can buy all the way up to this point for GBP USD. Okay, so but you need to watch out. You need to watch out because it's still going to give you an entry. What you need to watch out for is a break, a retest. So at this retest, that's when your confirmation is gotten. But right now, it is still at that supply zone, so it can still go to the downside a bit. So, but for GPS, you are more of buy projection. We'll just be looking for buys. That's what it means. We'll be looking for buys. Then on GBP JPY, GPHY. This was our projection for GPJPY last week on spot. Like it was on spot. We just said it's going to go down, then we went down to this point. Okay, so GPJPY was accurate. Let's update this week. We go to the weekly time frame. Then on the weekly time frame, we spot out what the previous week high and previous week low. This is the previous week low here. This is previous week low over here, and then this previous week high over here. This previous week high over here. Good. Then we go to daily time frame. On daily time frame, what do we spot? We spot out the daily demand and supply zone. Spot out the daily demand and supply zone. So there's a daily demand zone I see over here. Basically, if I'm to track this market, let me show you how I track this market probably. So if you look at this market closely, let's start from here. The market dropped to the downside, what creating this change of character over here after a massive buy opportunity creates, and then there's a zone here. What the market did later what went to the upside, breaking this zone. So after impulse, it had another impulse. So this is more like what a correction, but did not impulse again, double top. Then it dropped. So this is now a correction for another impulse. Then over here, let's say the market was just ranging at this point, undecisive. The market was ranging at this point, undecisive. Okay, then market shoot to the upside. So this is now what a correction. This is an impulse correction. Okay, over here, this is an impulse correction for whatness for under impulse. So what I see that after this impulse, there's going to be another what correction for another what projection to the upside. So with this in mind, this zone, I'm not just going to adjust the zones. No, I'm going to leave it because there is a range here. Okay, I'm not going to touch any of the zones because there is a range. This is more like a range. So what we need now is a break above one of the sides of the range to continue the buy to the upside. That's what we need. Okay, we need a break of one of the sides of the range. This is for Japanese, Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. Then let's go to the yes. So I think these zones are good on spot. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, we have a different story. Okay, wait, let me. Yeah, we have a different story. On 4 hours time frame, I see that this market is getting ready to buy massively if it hasn't even started the buy itself. So if you see it here, okay, see it here. Okay, you see? So over here now, this market was ranging at this point. You see? So it was ranging. No breakout yet. It was ranging. So, but for last week, there was a break. It's now turning it into support and then to buy. So we are going to be taking buys on GBP JPY. We're going to be taking buys on GBP JPY. So watch out for it. I'll be calling out these signals buys for GBP JPY. The projection is going to be up. Great Britain pound is going to be strong for this week. Okay. So for me to get a viewpoint of where this market might get to, for me to get the viewpoint, I just need to take this Fibonacci from this swing low here to this swing high. You see that the market came towards this what? The 57. Okay, so we're going to be taking probably minimum take profit at this point for GBP JPY. Okay, so we'll be calling out this signal, we'll be buying this trade. Okay, and I want you guys to follow us on our channel so you get these trade signals on point. Okay, so for us now, the market already closed. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Then on the 1 hour time frame, yeah, well, we need the market to come down a bit, probably towards this candle here. So we get a better trade execution and then we buy GPJPY. Okay, so watch out for this trade. This is 1:4 trade. This is where our entry is. This candle here is our entry. So once it gets towards that candle, we take our buy for GPJPY. Okay, although it has already given us another entry opportunity, which is this candle at the close of this candle. This is a signal. This is the close of the candle. Do you know what? Let's buy GPJPY now. Buy GPJPY now. Buy GPJPY now. I'm going to be placing that trade. Okay, I'm going to be placing that trade on our accounts right now. Follow us on our channel to see how these trades play out. Buy GPJPY now. We're going to make it a 1:3 trade. So actually risking, let's say we risk GPJPY buy now, or risking 51 pips, GPJPY buy now. So buy GPJPY now. We're buying GPJPY, GBPJPY. Okay, buy GPJPY now. Our risk is going to be 51 pips. 51 pips. And our take profit is going to 153 pips. That's the 1:3 trade. Yes. So let's buy GPJPY now. Come on, guys. Don't sleep on this. Don't sleep on this at all. Apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management. So you might be wondering what do I mean by applying proper risk management? This is what applying proper risk management means. Okay. So come on. So buy GPJPY now. Let's go to the next pair. The next pair is XAUSD gold. Gold is the next pair. So what was our forecast for gold last week? So our forecast was simple and on point. We said gold was meant to drop. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. I'm in on GPJPY, guys. So this was our forecast. We said that gold was meant to drop to the downside, okay, but nothing didn't happen. So let's forecast gold right now. That didn't happen. So our forecast for gold last week was not on point. So let's go to weekly time frame. Let's update the previous week high and previous week low. Let's update the previous week high and previous week low. Okay, so this is the previous week high over here. And this is the previous week low. Then let's go to daily time frame. Then on daily time frame, I see a daily demand all the way down here. A daily demand all the way down here, and I see a daily supply all the way up here. I see a daily supply all the way up here. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. So what I see for 4 hours time frame is more of buy opportunity. So I want to buy gold at this point, or yeah, or at this point. So we're looking for buy opportunities for gold instead. Okay, from this point or from this point. So let's watch out for that. Gold. Then that's it. I wish a profitable